Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am present to you how to wrap text around picture in Word document. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture on our file. Then insert it. Now we can see here we insert a picture. We click the picture and go to the format menu. Now we can see here many options. We choose the wrap text option. Then choose the in front of text option. Then we move the picture anywhere very easily and resize the picture. Now we can see here we move this picture anywhere smoothly. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.